Okay, welcome back again to MBAbullshit.com. So our topic for this video is dividend policy. Stock repurchase does not help shareholders, okay, or does not help stockholders. Remember, you can always go back to MBAbullshit.com. Now, in my other video, okay, on cash dividends, okay, on my other video on cash dividends, we saw how it theoretically doesn't help a shareholder if a company uses its excess cash to pay cash dividends to its owners. What if, in a different case, instead of using its excess cash to pay shareholders or stockholders, a company uses its excess cash to buy up or buy back its own shares which are floating around the stock market? Will that benefit the shareholders and stockholders? Let's see. Let's take the example of Banana Fruit Corporation, which has no debt and has $10,000 in assets. Okay, so let's say Bob is a shareholder in the company, owning one share of stock worth $1,000. So Bob owns 10% of the company. So far so good. So the million-dollar question is, does this help Bob? He now owns 12.5% instead of 10%, right? Well, let's see. First, let's look at it from the traditional point of view on earnings per share. And after this, I'll show you a more advanced point of view. But I need to show you both points of view so that you can compare the two. Okay, first, earnings per share. Let's say this all happens between Tuesday and Wednesday. So on Tuesday, before the stock repurchase, what happened is, even with a higher earnings per share of 250 due to the stock repurchase, it doesn't translate to higher cash for Bob if he wants to sell that share in the market. Okay? So the stock repurchase did not make Bob richer. Okay? Okay, so again, these are different ways of analyzing it or looking at it, this dividend policy thing. And different professors have different biases as to which one they believe. But a lot of them will teach all the different theories and then they'll tell you which one they personally believe. So you have to find out which one your professor believes. But at least now, you can understand more what they're talking about when they discuss these different views in class. Alright, so I hope you learned something, and I hope this helps you sincerely. You can always go back to MBAbullshit.com for lots of complete and great free videos, as well as more advanced videos which you can watch for an unbelievably small donation. Okay, so have a great day and good luck.